Hi bestie, thank you for stopping by. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how to ventilate a 5 by 6 closure size, a free part closure that when you are done venting it, making use of the pattern I'm going to show you, you can easily freestyle, free part your closure. You can as well use it to make your braided wigs, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you guys both how I was able to customize the closure. Okay, I was able to measure and cut out the size of the closure, and how I started the venting till how I ended getting this closure. That's exactly what I'm going to guide you guys through in this particular video. So if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, stick with me to the end of this video, and please do not skip any part of this video so I don't end up missing important aspect of it. So we need our lace closure, sorry, our Swiss lace, our measuring tape, pencil for demarcating, of course scissors for cutting, and a rule for marking out the place we need. So when you are about to customize your lace, no matter the size of closure you want to cut out, please make sure you are cutting where you can find a vertical line. Okay, so I'm going to use my tape to measure at 5 inches, but I'm going to be measuring out 5.5. That's between 5 and 6. Okay, the the quarter that I added is actually not among the 5 inches. It's just for the wigging process, and I like giving little space in on my closures, the sides of my closures. Okay, so what I've done marking out the 5 inches, next thing is to mark out my 6 inches. Remember, we are working with 5 by 6 size in closure. And again, you can actually make use of any size you want. If you already got, if you have gotten the already customized closure in the market, maybe 4 by 4, 5 by 5, anyone, 7 by 7 is okay. But if you're unable to get customized ones, you can actually get the yard and then use your hand to cut out the size of closure you need. So I'm simply marking after I measured my 5 inches and 6 inches. I just use my rule to mark a straight line both sides. This will enable me when I am cutting, I don't end up not getting it the right way. Okay, I normally do this, but if you can do a freehand cutting, like maybe if you're a tailor or you know how to handle your scissors very well, that you can do a freehand cut without the mark, then you don't need to actually do the marking. But for me, I don't know how to do a freehand cutting, no, so I normally indicate with my pencil. Okay, mark it with my pencil before cutting so that I don't end up cutting cutting what I don't know. Okay, so the next thing is to secure my lace on my mannequin. Okay, my canvas head or the other type of mannequin head anyone can serve. Then I secure it with a pin. Either use a T-pin or this one or the other pin. Even an office pin can serve. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself much trying to get this particular one. Then the next thing is to smoothing my hair by using my rattle comb to smooth it. Then I'll go ahead and fold it into two. All right, then let's get down to the main business. Now for the venting, I'll be venting on a line. If you watch, I am not venting on a straight line. I am not venting on a vertical line. Okay, I'm actually venting and a slant line. That's the diagonal pattern. That's what we are going to be making use. We're actually making use of diagonal pattern of ventilation. Okay, you guys know I'm always bringing different patterns of ventilations, okay, that you can use to make your closures, frontals, full lace, and achieve the best results. So this particular one, we are making use of the diagonal pattern of ventilation for this our 5 by 6 size closure. So I am skipping just a hole, okay, and I skip also just a line. What it means is that when I'm done with one particular line, I just go ahead and skip the next one, okay, and then vent on the one after the one I skipped. Then for the holes, I am skipping just a hole. Remember, I promised you guys that I'm going to make a video on how to count your holes. Some people still find it confusing. So when I said skip one hole, they don't understand what I mean by skipping a hole. So I'm going to make a very detailed video on how to count your holes and then how to count your lines. So guys, if you can see how smooth and tiny, even though I zoomed this video, but it's still tiny, to show you that I am not picking too much strands of hair. I am picking 1 to 2, at most 3, because this is actually hair. If you are working with extension, that is, if you are working with attachment, please do not exceed 2. Okay, do not exceed 2 strands. But for this one, is not it's actually a hand blend that I'm working with, so, and the blend is very tiny, so I can pick 3 strands without it being much. And again, I've already told you guys how to get a very tight knot. You now watch the video where I shared that secret. Okay, go ahead and watch that video so you know how to easily get your tight knots. Watch the last video I uploaded before this one. I said something on that particular video. So I am not doing anything difficult here, even though ventilation is tasking. I must tell you, that's why it's something you must be interested in, something that suits your soul, something, it must be something you enjoy doing. If you don't enjoy doing it, and if you're not the kind of person that have patience, forget it. Hair ventilation is not for you, because it demands that you have to have patience, stay at a place for some time, for some hours working. That doesn't mean you should not walk around, okay? It doesn't mean you should not walk around. I've actually make a video on where I shared tips on how to ventilate faster without having all those body aches and all those body pains. If you've not seen that video, please check my channel, okay, so you'll be able to watch and see the tips I share that can help you to ventilate faster, and also what to do or the position to use to avoid body aches, okay, your body paining you. So guys, this is how far I have gone. You see how sweet and so loving the closure is looking with our tiny knots and everything. So I'm just working on a slanted line. You know, a lace has 3 lines. It has the vertical line, it has the horizontal line, and then the slanted line, which you can equally call the diagonal line. Okay, so this one I'm not following the vertical line, I'm following the diagonal lines, the slanted lines. Okay, and I'm venting on one slant line, I skip the next one, vent on the one that follows, like that. Then for the holes, I skip just one hole, okay, and then vent on the one that follows. So guys, if you know you are finding any value from this point, from this video, and you've watched to this point, you are yet to hit that like button. Please go ahead and like this video, comment and share with your friends. What happens when you like my video is that you are telling the algorithm that yes, this video worth distributing, show it to others, okay, so that they can gain the same value that I got from this video. Okay, so share with your friends, like, comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So this is how far I have gone. I just have few just little more to go, and I'll show you guys the final products. So this is what we got finally. With this now, you can easily freestyle, free part your closure. If you are using it for wigging, then if you are not, if you are using it for braid, you can use it for any style of braid, be it cornrow, boss braid, in fact, any kind of braid. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next upload. And please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to comment, share with your friends, like, comment, ask your questions, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Join me by following me. I have a whole lot, a whole lot. When I mean a whole lot, I mean a whole lot coming your way. And also feel free to drop your video request. Thank you guys once again, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.